What are you holding, Akshita?
I'm holding.
Is that a pet dog? Is that a puppy?
No. It looks like one, but it's actually like a small.
Really?
It's actually a small Silkie, but it's a male.
Oh, so it's not a girl?
No.
You mean it's
I want
he's
to
a
call her a
boy?
she. Call her a she.
Call her a she.
It just comes naturally to me.
That looks like a girl to me.
I know, but it's a boy.
Are you sure that's a boy?
I'm sure.
Mm-hmm.
He has no tail. How is it curled?
Yeah, then how are you saying it's girl?
Because they said it is.
Somebody said it's a boy.
I know. Rooster without a tail, right? Then I don't know how they say it's a rooster. Maybe it's a mix up.
Maybe you'll find it out once it starts laying eggs, Akshita. Okay, so what's special about your silky rooster?
He's the first rooster I've ever had, and the three specialities about him is that the first one is that he has blue ears.
Blue ears? Can you help me here?
Yep.
Over this side.
Oh,
Can you show me his blue ears?
right here.
Wait. Oh yeah, the blue skin. Okay.
The second speciality is that he has his whole body is black. So all the skin, all the bones are all black, even though he looks white.
Oh, so it's just the excuse me. So it's just the fur that's white. Everything else is black,
Yeah.
including his beak.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
His beak has a little.
What's the third specialty?
Third speciality is
He has 5 toes.
yep.
So how many toes do normally chickens have?
Chickens normally only have 4.
So this guy has 5.
Yep.
Ooh. And I think your rooster has one more specialty. What's special about his eyes?
Oh, one of his eyes is black, and the other has a little tinge of like
Okay,
orange.
so this eye, I don't know if he's going to let me. Okay, but on this, so the other eye was fully black.
Yeah.
Whereas this eye
Has a little tinge of yellow.
has orange. Yeah, he's not willing to open his eyes. Otherwise,
Open.
yeah, I can see the tinge of orange on the top of his eyes.
Yeah.
But that's not there on the other eye.
Nope.
It's fully black.
Yep.
Awesome. So what have you named him?
We've named him Fluffy.
Ooh, okay. And is this your newest pet?
Yes.
The latest pet?
Yep.
And which is your oldest pet?
My oldest pet is Sam.
Oh, he's sitting right here. Hello, Sam.